Goodbye.
Video!
Video! We got a video! Here we go! Another video. Don't know what it is. Let's hope it's good.
I'm Loud and I'm making the gravy for the gravy drinking contest.
Hi, I'm Christian. Hi, I'm TJ.
Hi, I'm Loudon.
And this gravy drinking.
No, just dip your cup in there, dumb. It's so nasty.
This is gravy.
Oh my god, is it warm still?
Yeah, it's warm.
Oh.
It's warm.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It's good.
It's thick. Screw coffee, man. Go to gravy.
Sick.
It's clogging my arteries.
Alright, who gets their first cup down first wins.
No, wait. I'm just taking off my jacket.
Alright, Loudon has to start over because you spit out most of it.
Yeah, and you started out with like half a cup, man.
That's gay.
No, it's
Now
not.
you just got to fill it up halfway.
It's hot. Dude, how hot?
You keep spitting it out.
Don't spit it out. You're like a
It's an
bird.
accident.
No, birds eat 3 times their own weight.
I think we're kicking Christian's butt.
Huzzah!
Down it, Christian.
Down it, Christian.
If it wasn't so hot, I would.
I win.
I don't think so.
I won. Ew.
Yeah, who's not gonna throw up? Dude, did you spike this stuff?
Dude, what did you put in this, Loud? This tastes like apps.
What? Yeah, I'm the only one that hasn't thrown up. Ow! I love it. It's hard for me to breathe.
Christian lost, he just dumped all his gravy.
Hey.
I can't swallow it. It's so disgusting. I'd say I've drank more so far.
Oh, gross. He's puking.
Miss Loudon is the winner.
Who would have thought I would have won?
I know.
Yeah.
This sucks.
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey, this is the rest of mine. You look like a weirdo.
Dude,
Tilt
we
your head
shouldn't
back.
put this on the show.
Tilt your head back.
No! I thought you were gonna put it in my mouth.
You know, I felt with the pudding.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Woo!
Dude, that was gay.
That was pretty.
Let's get in the pool, dude. I cut my thumb, homie.
Like I wasn't cold enough.
Now rinse off the, dude, do you want the rest of the movie? Dude, what else? I got water running here. And it's cold.
Let me turn it off then. Don't spray me. Stop. Ah.
It's pretty cold. Look like you sneeze all over yourself.
I know.
Probably it.
Hug.
Take him down, Christian. Take him down. Oh, into the spike tree. Oh, get a close up on the spikes on that tree, man. Ow.